We recently refinished our deck using Thompson's WaterSeal transparent wood stain and sealer in Chestnut Brown, and we ended up using 4 gallons to complete the project. One thing we really liked is that this product stains and seals at the same time. The Chestnut Brown color gave the deck a rich, updated look while still letting the natural wood grain show through. Application went smoothly, and once everything dried, the finish looked great. One of my favorite parts is what happened after the first rain. You can actually see the water beading up on the deck, which is exactly what you want from a waterproofing sealer. If you're thinking about using this on your own deck, spend the time cleaning and preparing the wood first. Good surface preparation makes a big difference in how the finished project turns out. Overall, this worked out really well for us. If you're looking for a stain and sealer in one that refreshes the appearance of your deck while helping protect it from the weather, I definitely recommend taking a look at this one.